Hello everyone, I'm at the epicenter. I just bought the stuff. This is a timing belt cleaner, or it's also supposed to more than just clean. And some other stuff, because this is our new car. But there is oil on the timing belt and it's really not good, and I cannot continue to drive home. I'm in Kharkiv right now, so I gotta take apart the timing belt cover here in the lot now of epicenter, and yeah, I will show you all. Oh, that's not a 10. That looks too big. 12. Oh, it's a 13. Hat die Vordermann noch? Already done very nice. Okay, the next one is... Oh, that is... Oh, yeah. Right, you can see. Right. Ach no. I'm pressing against one of the tubes and yeah, we got a fucking leak. Couldn't leak here. Fuck me. I don't know, left or right. How do I get it out now? Oh fuck, that doesn't look good. That's a lot of oil. Definitely get it. Just fucking. What was that? Alter, Alter. Oh, jawohl. How can we see it? Yeah, that's oily. So that's what we gotta clean now. So whilst I'm waiting for this to dry, I'm looking at the cover of the timing belt, and we see that there's a lot of oil here. You can also see that yeah. So if you look here, the bolt is right underneath the valve cover seal. So this here is the valve cover, and right here is the seal. So if you're lucky, it's really just this seal here that goes between this piece and this piece. Right here is a gap, and there's the cover, seal. And this, especially in old cars, is leaking, and then, which is not a problem until it leaks somewhere here. Okay, next problem would be if I press here, it comes out there. Beautiful. So I just went back into epicenter. I got sandpaper, the strongest tape I found. Unfortunately not like this metal stuff that people wrap around the exhaust, and this, and water just in case. So that dried. Now I'm gonna turn the engine a little bit, and then I will clean the rest of it. This here didn't work, and then I noticed that the vacuum line for the brake booster was broken, and I didn't have anything to cut it, so I just used super glue and a zip tie. And then I went back in and bought some more water, and every 50 kilometers I had to refill some.